Earls Barton, a picturesque town nestled in the heart of Northamptonshire, offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and community that is both captivating and welcoming. This charming town, with its population of around 5,000, manages to pack a rich array of experiences within its borders, making it a hidden gem worth discovering. The heartbeat of Earls Barton lies in its remarkable historical legacy. The town's origins stretch back to the Saxon era, and this deep-rooted history is perhaps most famously embodied in the Church of All Saints. This stunning church, with its iconic Anglo-Saxon tower, is a testament to the town's ancient past. Standing proudly for over 1,000 years, the church's tower is one of the finest examples of Saxon architecture in England. Climbing the tower offers not just a sense of history, but also breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside, a reminder of the timeless beauty that envelops Earls Barton. The town's rich heritage isn't confined to its architecture. Earls Barton's connection to the shoe industry, much like its Northamptonshire neighbours, is a significant part of its identity. The town was a hub of boot and shoe manufacturing during the 19th and early 20th centuries. This industrious past is celebrated and preserved in the local museum, where visitors can explore exhibits that detail the craftsmanship and dedication of the townsfolk who built this thriving trade. The museum itself is housed in the historic Jayes Chemist building, adding another layer of historical charm to the experience. Beyond its historical allure, Earls Barton thrives as a vibrant and close-knit community. The town square, with its array of independent shops, cafes, and traditional pubs, is the social hub where locals gather. The warmth and friendliness of the residents create a welcoming atmosphere for newcomers and visitors alike. Community events play a crucial role in the town's social fabric, with the annual Earls Barton Carnival being a highlight. This colourful event, complete with parades, stalls, and entertainment, encapsulates the town's spirit of togetherness and celebration. Nature enthusiasts will find much to admire in and around Earls Barton. The town is surrounded by the rolling hills and lush landscapes that define Northamptonshire's countryside. The nearby Sewell Country Park, with its reservoir and nature trails, provides a perfect escape for those looking to enjoy outdoor activities. Birdwatchers, in particular, will relish the opportunities to spot a variety of species in this tranquil setting. The River Nene, which flows close to the town, adds another dimension to the natural beauty of the area, offering scenic spots for picnics and leisurely walks. Education and community services in Earls Barton are robust, reflecting the town's commitment to fostering a nurturing environment for families. The local schools are highly regarded, providing excellent education and extracurricular opportunities. This focus on education ensures that young residents have a strong foundation and a sense of belonging within their community. One cannot overlook the importance of local traditions and crafts in Earls Barton. The town is renowned for its long-standing pottery tradition, with the Earls Barton pottery producing beautiful, handcrafted ceramics. This tradition continues today, with artisans creating pieces that reflect both contemporary and historical designs. Visitors can explore workshops and perhaps even try their hand at pottery, gaining a deeper appreciation for the town's artistic heritage. Transport links in Earls Barton are another advantage, making it a convenient location for those who wish to enjoy a rural lifestyle while maintaining access to larger towns and cities. The proximity to major roads and public transport options ensures that residents can easily commute for work or leisure, enhancing the town's appeal. Earls Barton is a town that offers a rich tapestry of history, community, and natural beauty. It is a place where the past is preserved with pride, the present is lived with joy, and the future is embraced with optimism, whether you are exploring its historic sites, engaging with its vibrant community, or simply enjoying the serene countryside. Earls Barton provides a fulfilling and enriching experience for those seeking a quintessential English town that combines heritage, heart, and harmony. Earls Barton in Northamptonshire is a destination that promises to leave a lasting impression.